Hello, this is Mark Brickley, Product Manager of ClearPath, and I'm here to tell you about the exciting improvements we've made in our 3.0 release. The focus of this release was improving the new user onboarding experience, improving accessibility, and making it easier to get the support to help you along your journey. Let me show you some of those changes.
It all starts when you first bring up ClearPath. The empty state graphic helps to guide the new user on what actions to do to get started with ClearPath. I'll follow those directions, and I'll select a release. Tickets assigned to the release in the project are displayed in a top-down order based on their dependencies. If you have a lot of tickets, like I do, we blur out the ticket details until you zoom in, as to not put too much strain on your eyes. If you're concerned about staying on schedule or managing your technical risk, this is a great time to look at your critical path. When I select it here, you'll see the tickets on the critical path are not just highlighted in red, but the ticket border is changed and an icon is placed on the card. Those changes are part of accessibility improvements by giving an alternative indication of critical path tickets than just a color change. Getting a border change and an icon. Bottlenecks are handled similarly. I will actually zoom in on the bottleneck. Once we reach a certain zoom threshold where ticket details are readable, we turn off the blur so you can analyze the tickets. The icons will go away for critical path and bottlenecks at this level, but the differing border will make the critical path and bottleneck tickets stand out. I'm actually going to toggle the bottleneck on and off, and you can see clearly the animation we are adding to the bottleneck, making the card bigger. More seamless transitions like that were a focus of this release. Here, I'll select the Zoom to Fit button on our map controls, and you can see how we animate the screen to provide a more pleasing transition. You'll find that we reduced the number of sharp screen refreshes and sharp zoom changes throughout touch points in the software, providing you with a more pleasurable and seamless experience. One of the features that separates ClearPath from other dependency management apps in the marketplace is our ability to edit tickets and links right in our interface. Many other apps present the data as just read-only. We have enhanced the discoverability of these features by improving feedback and adding the link toolbar. As you hover over a card, you have feedback helping you to discover you can move the card to improve your view. The link icon at the bottom of the cards provides feedback as you hover over, helping you to discover that links can be created by dragging and dropping to another card. Once you begin your drag, the link icon is shown on the top of the cards to help the user know how to properly complete the link. Hovering over a link line gives a darker line color feedback to invite the user to select the line. Once selected, a new toolbar appears to help show you options. Clicking the reverse button will automatically invert the direction of your blocking relationship. Clicking the delete button will delete the selected blocking relationship. You can always use the delete and backspace buttons on your keyboard to delete one or more selected link lines. A big feature that we introduced and will continue to iterate on is our in-app help. At any time, you can click the question mark button to show our help panel. Many users find our YouTube playlist very helpful when starting out, as it explains not just the features in ClearPath, but more importantly, how to integrate the power of ClearPath into your Agile processes. We also provide many mechanisms to communicate with our team. We want you to be aware of the improvements and new features we add, but more importantly, we want to hear from you. Let us know what you love and where we can improve. Send us your ideas for new features, or fill out our survey to help shape the future of our roadmap. If you love the app, please write a review on the Atlassian Marketplace to help get the word out.
I really appreciate you spending the time with me to learn about the 3.0 release of ClearPath, and I hope our app helps you to see your path to project success more clearly. Until next time, cheers.